Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Moon box for September 2021. It's the autumn equinox, so I thought it'd be a good time to just treat myself and have a quick little just a quick little fun refresher. So I got distracted by this. The Witch's Room. Today the witch will sweep and clear her space with her magical broomstick. She freshens up the energy at work and home, cleansing your aura and sparkling up your life. Feel your vital powers flowing. Very nice. And let's look at the theme. Goddess of the Night. Ooh, so excited. Okay. Looks like we got a beautiful sigil here. Ooh, labradorite. Nice, nice, nice. I love these. A nice little collection. There you go. Oh, look at you, Nyx. Oh, and the Harvest Moon. Wow, these are beautiful. Absolutely lovely additions to my collection. Nice. Alright, let's check out what we got. Yes, Persephone bath salts. Oh my god. They smell. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like, yeah, it smells like how I would imagine she smells like. Persephone. Oh, and we got a labradorite. I can tell already because I can see the flash. Pretty little blue flash. Oh, I always do the big item last. Alright, we got a tea bag. Lady Elhorn. Oh, elderberry. Nice. Nyx blend from the herbal cabinet. Very pretty. I'm going to scoot this back a little bit so we can see all the items. This is Nocturna herbal ritual tea, or ritual herbal tea. Interesting. We've got a lovely purple candle, which I think is totally on point. Very nice. I'm actually basically caught up on my beeswax candles from the Witch's Moon. Night Jasmine. I grew Night Jasmine this year. It did not bloom. It hated the heat. Heat murdered it. Nyx. Oh, this is a very, very pretty label. Nice. Let's give her a smell. Smells nice. It's got some floral hints, but not entirely floral. Let's see what this is. Look at the dream catcher. Oh no, it's a moon. Oh, and it's got pretty, like, feathers from like an astrolabe or something. So there's a pretty little pentagram and a beautiful moon and all these lovely feathers. Wow, much love. Absolutely love it. So let's do a little reading. As the sun sets and the chariot of darkness travels across the sky, the spirits of old and new, wise and rich, dance among us as if stars sparkling within the blackness of night. Within this deep and powerful space, we begin to connect and convey our intentions and willingness to study and practice. It is within the depths of this beautiful darkness that we find protection and urges of guidance from the goddess of the night. In this very exclusive and unique collection, created over many, many moons, we delve into the secrets and sanctuary of Nightfall. Ew. Handmade talisman of the goddess Nyx. We have truly connected with the beautiful power that surrounds the goddess of the night, Nyx. The night was represented and embodied by this Greek goddess, born before all other elements and gods thereafter. It has even been known that Nyx gave rise to the great cosmos in which the earth was born. She's a representation of truth and authenticity, choices to be freely taking with great blessings or great consequences depending on the heart of the practitioner. Much like Hecate, Nyx is the protector of witches and wise men and can provide insight into the mysteries. Okay, hold on. Okay. So they're not calling this a dream catcher, and it's not really. It's a handmade talisman for NYX. It's very, very pretty. I love it. Very cool. Interesting. Love that. Love the feathers. Love the beads. Everything's very lovely. So the Book of Shadows artwork. The Goddess of the Night sigil. All of those are lovely. Labradorite palm stone. And the Book of Shadows artwork for Labradorite, which I'm absolutely loving this new series. Nocturna herbal tea. What has it got in it? Rooibos, ginger, cardamom, and chocolate chips. This warm and smoky ritual herbal tea is meant to be your nightly companion. Cool. The NYX Ritual Herbal Blend is hibiscus, lavender, and rose. You can put it in an offering bowl, or you can use it as an incense blend. Elderberry. The candle is Cosmic Magic Spell Candle, surrounding the magic that surrounds you during rituals performed at night. A time of introspection and the beginning of new intentions through study, ritual, and practice. The dark night is here for these sacred moments. It has vanilla, jasmine, and lavender oils. Very nice. And then the magical anointing oil, enhancing any magical workings that are performed during the darkness of night. So it has geranium, jasmine, almond, lavender, and chamomile, with lavender, chamomile, and blue lotus herbs, and a Lumarian quartz, with their mixture of their cosmic darkness magical oil from their personal cabinet. The Persephone salt has vanilla, lavender, and bergamot, as well as lavender, willow, and poppy. So vanilla, lavender, and bergamot oil with lavender, willow, and poppy herb, and Protectress magical oil from their cabinet of magical witchery. Night Jasmine ritual incense sticks. Harvest Moon Book of Shadows artworks, which I absolutely love. So the personalized oracle reading is from the Secrets of the Witch oracle cards, which are really interesting. And then of course a parchment paper. I love it. Always something new with this box. Highly recommended to you guys. This is the Witch's Moon. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm very pleased with this. I'm cleaning my room, so that's actually really exciting. I can put it in a space when I'm done cleaning and cleansing and blessing and protecting. It'll be hung in my room somewhere lovely. So exciting. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video finds you well, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.